And one of the things that stuck very much on me, and where I would say this is now very, very specific and also fitting hand in hand to what nowadays we call the Shaolin way, is the following.
Nothing in this life lasts forever. Not joy, not pain, not success, not failure. When you suffer, you are forced to see that change is constant. You are reminded not to cling too tightly to what you love, nor to despair too deeply at what you lose. Both are passing. Both are waves on the ocean.
When that suffering comes, can we ignore it and it just disappears? Do we run away from it so that the suffering, the situation, the circumstance is just far, far, far away from us? Or what is the way to deal with that suffering? And one of these things, for example, is postponing the suffering. So trying to ignore it, trying to isolate it from your being, waiting, hoping that that suffering will just dissipate by itself and not appear again, is not happening. It didn't happen in my life, it won't happen in your life, because it is us who is suffering.
In Qigong and Shaolin practice, we also see how suffering in the body can become a doorway to strength. When you train, the muscles burn, the breath is heavy, the body trembles. But if you stay with it, the body transforms. Weakness becomes strength, stiffness becomes flexibility, and fear becomes resilience. In the same way, the suffering of life, if endured with awareness, transforms the mind. What once made you fragile now makes you unshakable.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Look left, look right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It trains grounding, stability, and energy circulation. Each stance channels qi through different meridians of the body.
7, 8, 9, 30. Spine. Look, this is the right leg. Right leg. Go 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Feet a little bit more than shoulder wide. You can grab the hand. 1, 2.
Shi Heng often refers to these movements as instant energy refreshers. Each of the 8 movements targets a specific organ system and energy pathway.
8, 9, 10. direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Hands on the waist. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
It oxygenates the blood, calms the nervous system, and revitalizes internal organs.
8, 9, 20. Good. Feet together, knees together. Support a bit. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Knees a bit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The joints is the highway of qi. Keeping it open means strong vitality.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Yeah, this left foot. Stay on ground, right foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Left foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good.